The coolest thing that I got to learn was how to apply for colleges and scholarships.
The coolest thing is I opened my first bank account.
How to dress for an interview.
Doing the job interviews.
Self-defense.
I accomplished many things. I got my driver's license. I applied for Job Corps.
Yeah, it's been a busy week and learning what to do after high school, yeah.
I found out that I actually love teaching and helping others.
This has given me a foundation for life after high school.
Before I came here, I was really, my mind was blank on what I wanted to do. And it's really good, they get you out of your comfort zone. Trying out something new is fun, It's given me a foundation for a better life.
This is giving me a foundation for learning new things and what I gotta do when I'm out of school.
A foundation for making best friends and getting along with your roommates.
A foundation for my future.
This has given me a foundation for the ability to learn and push for my dreams.
This has given me a foundation for success.